YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. It is Vlogmas, it's December, man. How y'all boy doing, man? What's going on? You feel me? What cracking? What popping? All that good stuff, man. But hey, before I even get started, you know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below what y'all want for Christmas, or what y'all think y'all gonna get for Christmas, or what would y'all like to have for Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know down below, man. I'm trying to get the vision right. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think y'all gonna get. We're doing, it's windy outside. We're doing a street, you know what I'm saying? Street POV drive, you know what I'm saying? The loud scat. You know what I'm saying? We in street mode with it just because we doing a street POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Street POV drive, to me, is just, I'm doing not like casual traffic, you know what I'm saying? Driving, recording casual traffic. Talk to y'all a little bit. Do what I'd do if I wasn't recording, pretty much. If I was just bored and I wanted to play around and just chill. But y'all know I'm gonna get y'all that exhaust for sure. My flag just flew on my shoulder from the back window. That's crazy. My Lord. I felt the drive shell. I don't think know what that was, but it felt like it. I guess it sound better than I rolled the front window down too, though. Finna get to it. Hold on. Stick 'em. This is all a green screen. It's all a green screen, man. Heavily, this is VR. That's why you only see one hand, it's a VR, man. They gotta hold the other piece. But the graphics are so crazy, like look at it with it. Come on, man, I'm holding a little curve, man. I'm holding a little curve, man. I'm holding a little curve, hold on. Roll these window down, man. I don't think y'all can hear for real. Stick 'em. I don't even be knowing where to go for real. The map on the game is so, you know what I'm saying? It got a lot of space. A lot of space, man. Stick 'em. Yes, sir, yes, sir. This one's slight, man. Just, you know, really just back road sliding, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know which way y'all like me to hold the camera better. Like y'all want it more like this when it look like a real POV, or y'all like it, you know what I'm saying, further back. This one and this two. Y'all pick one. I'm gonna go with one right now because I rarely do number one like this. Let me see. What's a good way about like that right there? Yes sir, yes sir. loud, live your sound in the comment, man. It's in street mode, it's not sport. So the downshifts are very soft. It's like eco. If you put it in, if you had a car in eco and then just flip this over to manual, that's what this is. Basically. I got my hazards on, so focusing on not trying to turn. I mean, I'm not trying to go yet. Man, you know, I'd let him go ahead and go so I can whip that bit if I had my traction on. Bye, 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 bye. Stick 'em. I know he mad. My car sounds so powerful to barely be hitting the throttle, but that's crazy. Listen to the echo. I'm gonna roll the window down some more so y'all can really hear. Listen. Get fun right here, hold on. This way it sound real good there right here like this. How about this, bro? Watch how this mud sound, man. What that scent right there? Like, bro. No full throttle or nothing, like that's crazy. Like, just listen, it's in street mode. Like, that is insane. That's literally insane, bro. Like, no cap. Like, for a stock car, bro, just something like for a sedan and that, it's like, cause bro, you just chilling. Like, I feel like I'm chilling right now, but it's just the throttle just fun. Like, that's the only difference. They're more loud, and then, you know what I'm saying? Listen to that more, man. Just listen. Sorry about the sun, but listen, man. Trying to pop. I know my car dirty, bro. I had to clean my car too. I bet the folk probably like, but what the heck is that? I know old folk be over exaggerating. They be like, good gog, leave gog, gobby. I ain't never heard of nothing like that before. y'all she wrote, man. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Y'all let me know if y'all like how Olivia sound, man, and you know what other mods y'all like to see me do cosmetic wise. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. But like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, milestone, man, you can do it. Keep your, you know what I'm saying? Keep your mind focused, stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Manifest, man. That's what you gotta do. You gotta manifest and believe it. You know what I'm saying? And act like it already happened. Still work at the same time. Still gotta put that work in. You know what I'm saying? But towards it. But believe that you already got it. But nevertheless, man, that's gonna be a wrap, like I say, man. And I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Look like. But yeah, man. Like I also said on the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.